Happy Easter to all of us. Happy Easter Sunday. More blessings. Nationwide, worldwide, on the different countries. Happy Easter to us all. To all of us. Ayun nga pala para sa ngayon pala yan. Kasama na lang. All people na lang. Even any religion. And that we are celebrating, to all those people that are celebrating the happy Eastern Sunday. And thank you, Lord. Thank you for everything, for another good health, good life, and good everything that we have. More blessings and stay together and focus for everything what we have. Kinuha ko, salamat. Thank you so much talaga that you are always with us and protect everything whatever we are. Happy Easter and to all, not only to all bloggers, not only in the social medias, including all us in including all us in that nationwide, worldwide, pa-double yan ha, universe that we are still living in this earth. Magiging kalikasan, mga kalikasan man, mga nature, mga animals, or whatever. Okay, and that what we are, that God provide everything who we are and what we do in our life. Kaya, thank you very much. To all families, both side, my nanay and tatay, for my hometown. Pag i-mention ko pa yun isa-isa siguro, hindi ko alam kung matatapos o ma-memorize ko pa lahat. So, sabotage na lang that you are including in this video that I'm making for Happy Eastern Sunday. That is means to all of us, generalize na yan, kasama na nga yan pa ulit-ulit ang nationwide. We belong in the different countries, na belong sa different nationalities, and universe, o basta we are still living in this earth. So happy Eastern Sunday to those people that they are celebrating of this special and very special days. Thank you very much. Kaya hindi ko man kayo mami-message sa messenger sa kasi sa dami-dami pa. Magme-message din of course siguro. Malilit nga lang. Nauuna ang pasalamat ko sa Panginoon at saka dito sa mga trabaho ko, sa ginagawa ko. Naumpisa pa kaninang 4 o'clock AM at now it's almost 6 o'clock if I'm not mistaken in the morning. Okay, so thank you and thank you and I finish already here in the breakfast time for CC and for the lunch box for CC. So I'm just making greetings to all of us, those people that they are celebrating from the Holy Week and the Eastern Sunday. Thank you so much, and God bless us all and more blessings. Keep safe lagi, whatever you do. To my family, of my brother, my late brother, my mga sister-in-laws, relatives and cousins, mga apo-apos and mga nieces, mga friends, mga kababata, mga childhood, mga amo, pamilya ni amo, pamilya ni sir, pamilya mga friends nila, and to all people in this world. Thank you very much. Enjoy and keep safe lagi wherever you go. Especially every day, work or holidays or whatever. Keep safe lagi, keep safe and keep safe. Happy Easter.